Hi, this is Kristen Silvera from Hearth and Harbor Realty in Tiverton, Rhode Island. I'm a licensed real estate agent in both Rhode Island and Massachusetts. And today we're going to talk about the top 5 vacation rental must-haves when you're building or remodeling a home to use as a vacation rental. I'll go through them all quick and then go back and further explain a little bit on each one. Number 1, air conditioning. Number 2, an ensuite bathroom. Number 3, hardwood floors. Number 4, a workable kitchen. And number 5, an open floor plan. So obviously air conditioning wouldn't apply to everybody everywhere, but here in Rhode Island that is definitely a must-have. Our guests are absolutely looking for air conditioning. Central air is the best, and then I would say the split units are probably next, and then if you don't have any other options, maybe a window unit for the bedroom, so at least you can sleep coolly. But you know, it gets hot and very humid, and people, you know, after a day outside would like to come in and cool down. So the better the air conditioner, I think, is much better, at least obviously here in Rhode Island. An ensuite bathroom. This is very much preferred for our guests if there is a bathroom that they can use privately for just them. Because think if you're going to share a house with another family or another couple, it's much more convenient to just everybody have their own bathroom. You know, so you don't have to share, you don't have to, you know, take turns for who's going to be in it when, just amongst you and your spouse or your kids. So definitely if you can figure that out. We have one space that we're working on that's pretty small, but we did manage to sneak in. It's just a 2-bedroom space, and we did do 2 very small bathrooms, but each bedroom will have their own bathroom, which I think will be very much appreciated by our guests. Number 3 is hardwood floors. We like hardwood floors in all of our vacation rentals because they're easy to clean. You know, you don't have to worry so much about spills. We don't usually allow any animals in ours, but if you did, it would be obviously much easier to clean up there. And you just know it's clean. Like when you come in, you know, you don't have to worry about the carpet and when was the last time it was washed and whatever. We can vacuum and we can mop, and it's perfectly clean for our guests when they arrive. Number 4 is a workable kitchen. Some people like to come and cook when they go on vacation. That is most definitely not me, but a lot of people do. I mean, they're getting together with their family and they want to have a home-cooked meal at the house, which I do understand that. I appreciate that. So if you have a good working kitchen, that's, you know, speaks volumes. A great place to sit down and for everybody to have that meal together. That's, you know, good quality family time, which is really one of the main benefits of renting a vacation house as opposed to just staying in a couple different hotel rooms. It's those times that you would not be able to do a hotel room that really make the trip so special. And it's those times sitting around the table and having a meal together that you're with people you're not usually with. Those are really where the memories are made, and where you can really learn about people and maybe some new things that you didn't know about them before the trip. So definitely a good working kitchen and an open floor plan, which was our point number 5. You know, particularly kitchen open to the living room, kitchen open to the dining room, where if some members of the family are in the kitchen and they're preparing the meal, they're still able to interact with the other family who are in the other room. It just kind of, it's a way to kind of be together and not being totally on top of each other, which I think is another one of the big benefits about being in a house, is that, you know, everybody can come together for that meal or come together to watch a movie, but then everybody has their own space in the bedrooms to kind of spread out, take a minute, unwind, you know, separate a little bit, and then be ready to come back together again, as opposed to all sitting in a hotel room. I remember when our kids were little, and it would be, you know, the kids are bouncing, jumping on the bed, and we're, you know, on the next bed, and it was just, you know, we were all on top of each other. So this takes a little bit of the stress out. It gives everybody a little bit of space to spread out. But if the floor plan's nice and open, then you kind of can always see where everybody is and what else they're doing, and, you know, just make open communication and such. Those are our top 5 things for what to do when you're remodeling or getting ready, or maybe looking to purchase a vacation rental that's already been worked on. You don't have to do any remodeling, which would be great. But these are the top 5 things that we're thinking of. So if you think of anything else, I'd love to get a comment and let me know what you think, and hopefully you watch some of our other videos. Thanks. Have a great day.